Yo, what's up everybody? It's Kieran. AI, it's everywhere right now. But hold on, because things are about to get seriously next level. In just 5 years, AI won't just write essays or generate art. It could diagnose diseases, manage entire businesses, or even become your best friend. Sounds insane? You haven't seen anything yet. We're diving deep into the future, and trust me, you'll want to see this. Here are 5 predictions that'll change everything you thought you knew about AI. We've all got Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant, maybe even started using ChatGPT. But let me tell you, by 2030 your AI assistant might know more about you than do. And I'm not even exaggerating. Picture this. Your AI wakes you up, but not just at some random time. It knows you were up late scrolling through memes, so it adjusts your schedule, suggests a power nap later, and orders an extra shot of espresso in your latte. And get this, it pre-orders your coffee before even ask. Books that doctor's appointment you've been putting off, and even coaches you through your workout based on your mood and fitness goals. All while sounding like a real person, not some robotic voice. Companies like OpenAI, Google, and Apple are racing to build these hyper-personal AI agents. And the kicker? They'll get smarter the more you use them. Yeah, it's learning you. Alright, let's talk about your job. Look, I'm not saying AI is coming for everyone's jobs tomorrow, but in 5 years, AI won't take jobs. But it will definitely take parts of yours, especially the repetitive stuff. Think about it. Coding, data entry, customer support. AI co-pilots will handle those tasks like a pro. This frees up humans to focus on what we do best: creativity, problem solving, and building those human connections. Even CEOs won't be immune. Imagine having an AI advisor that analyzes markets in real time, predicts trends, and helps you make those million-dollar decisions. Don't worry, you can still take credit. But here's the real mind-blower. Studies show up to 40% of work tasks could be automated by 2030. That's not some distant future. We're talking next Tuesday kinda soon. Chapter 3. AI will transform healthcare. Remember when WebMD had us all convinced we had every disease in the book? Get ready for something way better. In the future, AI might be able to catch diseases before you even feel a single symptom. We're talking next-level diagnostics here, and it's already starting to happen. AI is being used right now to detect cancer, analyze X-rays, and even predict heart conditions with crazy accuracy. But it's about to get even wilder. In 5 years, your smartwatch could be running real-time health diagnostics, monitoring everything from your heart rate to your blood sugar levels. And if something seems off, it'll alert your doctor before you even know there's a problem. This means earlier treatment, fewer errors, and potentially adding years to people's lives. Oh, and those surgical robots you've seen in sci-fi movies? They're becoming a reality, and they're getting crazy good. Chapter 4. AI companions get real. Okay, buckle up because this one is straight out of a sci-fi movie. Soon, emotional social AI companions will be almost impossible to distinguish from actual humans. I'm talking fully interactive AI avatars with their own personalities, memories, and even voices. They'll remember your birthday, your favorite sports team, and that embarrassing thing you did in high school. Need a friend to talk to? An AI companion will listen without judgment. Need a therapist? AI can provide support and guidance 24/7. Need a gaming partner? Your AI buddy is always down for a round. These AI companions are designed to listen, talk back, and evolve with you over time, just like a real friend. It sounds crazy, right? But in Japan, some people have already married their AI partners. Is it strange? Maybe. Is it happening? Absolutely. Chapter 5. AI will be regulated like nuclear tech. Now, with all this amazing AI tech comes some serious responsibility. We're talking about incredibly powerful tools here, and with great power comes a ton of regulation. Governments around the world are scrambling to figure out how to manage AI, because let's face it, things could get out of control if we're not careful. Think of it like nuclear energy. Incredibly powerful, with the potential to change the world, but also risky if it falls into the wrong hands. In the next 5 years, expect to see new laws, licensing requirements, audits, and even AI watchdogs popping up everywhere. The AI revolution is coming and it's going to be powerful, but it's also going to be tightly watched. The future of AI exciting or terrifying? So what do you think? Will AI save us or scare us? It's a question we'll all be grappling with more and more in the next few years. Let me know your thoughts, your hopes, and maybe even your fears about the future of AI in the comments below. Drop your wildest prediction in the comments. And if this video blew your mind even a little bit, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more mind-bending tech explorations. And don't even think about missing next week's video where we explore AI-generated worlds you can actually live in. See you there!